Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how to make this delicious and easy Hawaiian burger. My Hawaiian burgers, you need 1 cup of a teriyaki sauce, 1 can of sliced pineapples, 1 red onion sliced, some romaine lettuce, 4 Hawaiian sweet hamburger buns, 4 slices of Swiss cheese, 4 slices of provolone cheese, 4 beef patties, and some pepper to taste. First thing we're going to do is pour all of the pineapple juice from the can into our teriyaki sauce. Then we're going to mix this well. Now we are going to put our onions into our teriyaki and pineapple juice. And we are also going to put some of our pineapple rings in the teriyaki sauce. And we are going to let these marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning them once in a while. I am using my indoor smokeless grill. You could use your outdoor grill, or you could even fry these in a pan. But I am going to turn my indoor grill onto 400 degrees, and then we're going to wait for it to heat up. Since I'm waiting for my grill to warm up, I'm going to make some spicy mayo to go on our Hawaiian burgers. I have a half a cup of mayo here, and depending on how spicy you like your food, I have some chili garlic Cholula sauce here, and I'm going to put 2 or 3 dashes, and I'm going to mix this well. I'm going to put just a little bit more. Now I'm going to set this in the fridge and let all the flavors come together while I cook the burgers. Now that my grill is up to temperature, I am going to put some pepper on this side of my ground beef. Now I'm going to put my pepper side of my ground beef down on the grill. Now I'm going to pepper this side of my ground beef. While my ground beef is cooking, I will put the lid on my smokeless grill, and I will cook it for 7 to 10 minutes like that. Now that these have been cooking for about 7 minutes, I'm going to turn my ground beef. I will put the top back on it, and now it will cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that our burgers have been cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to take a brush and some of the teriyaki sauce and brush on the burgers. Now that this side has some of the teriyaki sauce on it, I'm going to flip my burgers. And I'm going to put some teriyaki sauce on this side also. I'm going to put the Swiss cheese on the burgers. And I'm also going to put the provolone cheese on the burgers. And I'm going to let this set on the heat until the cheese melts. Now that our cheese is melted, I'm going to take the burgers off the grill and rest them on a plate. Now that our burgers are off the grill, we are going to grill our pineapples and our onions. Now that our onions and pineapples have been grilled for about 3 minutes, I'm going to turn them over. Now that my pineapples and my onions have been grilling for about 2 minutes on this side, I will take them off the grill and set them aside. Now that we have our burgers cooked, it is time to assemble our burger. We will take a bottom of the hamburger and we'll put some spicy mayo on the bottom. Then we will put some lettuce. We will put a burger. A pineapple, and some onion. Then we will take a top of the hamburger bun, put some more of the spicy mayo, put it on top of the burger. Now we will assemble all the burgers the same way. Now that the burgers are all put together, it is time to plate. If you are craving a burger but you want something different, you should give this recipe a try. You will love it, I guarantee it. I kept this meal simple and just have seasoned fries and put a little ketchup in the spicy mayo. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.